In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer a GTA Online character from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on what you have to do to properly transfer your character from old gen to new gen consoles. So, if you have any progress on your character when you played on a PlayStation 4, you will be able to transfer it in its entirety over to the PlayStation 5. And usually the migration process will be an option as soon as you open GTA Online on any new gen console. So when you open GTA Online, you should see a screen similar to this. All that you have to do there is follow the instructions on screen and you should be able to select your character. Now, if you are unable to find your character, then what you have to do is take an additional step on the socialclub.rockstargames.com website. So go over to this page, sign into the Rockstar Games account that you use to play GTA Online, and in here click on your icon, go over to account and then settings. Now you will be able to go over to linked accounts, and what you have to do here is link your PlayStation Network account to your Rockstar Games account. By doing this, you will be able to ensure that your character can be found and that you will be able to transfer it over. After this, like I said, just go back inside of GTA Online and follow through with the migration process. You can also find the option when you choose the online tab inside of the game, but it is easier to simply go through the migration process the first time that you open the game. If you still cannot find your character, I recommend double checking the Rockstar Games account that you are using. Make sure that it matches the one that you used on your PlayStation 4, and as long as the PlayStation Network account and the Rockstar Games account are the same and properly connected on their linked accounts, you will be able to find your character and transfer over the progress from GTA Online from your PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer GTA Online character from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.